outside repairing by the car, to cool you off in your work locations, to circulate air in the basement. The QDF series, we're going to unbox the unit, show you how nicely it's packed. It's a DC fan. Comes in a number of colors. Everything's wrapped in plastic. This is the jdzhineng fan. We have a user's manual that you can simply go over. You have rubber feet on the bottom, knobs on each to the side, a small handle in the back, and a 360-degree adjustable mount. Model J12 is a 15,000 milliamp battery with an on and off, a negative and a positive for your speed with 20, 40, 60, 80, 100% battery increments. It could be ran at DC power or a AC plug and a DIN plug that plugs into the back of the unit over here, and you're going to charge for the first time. If you have a smartphone or anything else that needs to be powered up through the USB-A port, you may do so. 6 feet of cord, plug into a power source and charge up and watch the lights increase. As you plug in the DIN cable, it's going to take a few seconds to light up. We're at 80%, charging to 100%. The fan will take up to 3 hours to fully charge. We have a number of screws on top that you can simply unscrew and simply lift the cover up and off and clean the brushless motor and blades. The grill can be cleaned from the outside and when the cover is off on the inside and placed back on with a screwdriver. A fan at the barbecue in the backyard to cool you off from speeds of low to high from 4 hours to 30 hours of runtime. Gardening, cooling off, having at the high speed as you can see it blowing. When ready to exercise to cool you off during those days. Working in the garage, as simple as turning on the button in the back of the unit like so. Just hit the on button. Adjust the speed you're looking for. Place the fan down, tilt it, and lock it down into place by tightening up. It is a quiet fan on low speed. As you can hear, the decibels just about 40 dB on the high speed. It is a fan for all seasons. It is a lightweight fan, portable, 12-inch diameter. As it's quiet as you can hear it blowing, changing the speed to the maximum. You have the light indicator, and you can hang it up upside down if you need to put the fan somewhere and cool yourself off. To show you how the fan operates in the blowing distance, you can see the leaves on the floor. Relaxing on the porch outside, taking in fresh air on a hot day. This fan may be something. This is a fan, battery operated, for your needs, portable anywhere imaginable to be taken. On a boat, an RV, out by the picnic gazebo, backyard. Enjoy your product if this is right for you. Your battery operated, portable fan, adjustable speed. Have a great day and enjoy your product.